I'm going to start out talking about the characteristics of Russian Romanticism as a whole, and specifically of the era in which Rimsky-Korsakov lived. So, this piece was composed in 1888, which was towards the later end of the Romantic era in classical music. And Rimsky-Korsakov was part of a group of composers known as the Five, or the Mighty Handful, or also known as the New Russian School. And these composers also all lived at the same time as Tchaikovsky, who's arguably today the most well-known composer from that era. But the composers in the Mighty Handful actually wanted to set themselves apart from Tchaikovsky and other composers from the higher conservatoire and get back to the roots of the Russian culture in their music. So when I talk about the characteristics of Scheherazade, I need to take into account the fact that Rimsky-Korsakov was part of a larger movement. And the characteristics of the Mighty Handful's music included drawing inspiration from Russian culture and village life, and a fascination with storytelling and folk themes, and also Oriental themes, which we'll talk about later. And this was achieved through the use of special harmonic devices, like the extensive use of parallel fourths and fifths, and the use of the whole tone scale, which lends the music what we today would think of as this traditionally Russian romantic sound.